Okay, good morning to each and every one of you. So, in behalf of Computer Science High School of Bicolandia, we would like to express our sincerest gratitude to all of you because you were once part of the Sismi family, and we know that you were part of the milestone of the schools. So you were part of the life of our students because you were their mentor, even though it was just for a short period of time. But then, your contributions to them is such a vital one to every one of them. So, we know that, sabi nga niyan, mahirapan magsabing goodbye, but we will be happy to see you in the next future on your chosen field. So, I know that you will be graduating as in the Department of Education Department of the CBCUA, and you are happy enough that you are molded by your institution well, as evident for that because when you are here with us, you manifested many things to us. You are of great help to us, and ano pa ba? You are part of the lives of our students. So, thank you very much for spending your time and for being with us. So, it's nice working with you all. So, thank you and congratulations to each and every one of you. To God be the glory. So, that's all.